What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I finally got one of these extra long 3/8 locking flex head ratchets. My dealer just got them in yesterday and I picked one up. I haven't used it yet, but it looks really nice. This head stays in place pretty good. It's locked right now, and it's got the detent in it. And like if you shake it, like I'm shaking it pretty good, right? And it doesn't move very much. Like if you slam it though, it'll move, but that detent holds it in place pretty good. And then obviously if it's locked, it's not going anywhere. The lock is pretty slim, so I'm thinking it's going to stay out of the way, but we'll see when it comes to using it in tight places and stuff like that. But if anybody doesn't know about this, part number is FLLX80. And then a little comparison here, I will grab this hard handle, extra long flex head. They're both laying in the same spot. It's about 1.5 inches taller or longer than your standard extra long hard handle. And if anybody wants to know the part number on that, FHLLFD80. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a try here over the next few weeks and see how it does. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.